Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to remove password from Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my laptop. Now to remove password, first of all click on this start and over here go to this setting. Then after that you will find this interface. Click on this accounts and on the left you will find many options. Now go to this sign in options and now to this password. Then you will find here change. Click on this. Enter your current password. I'll enter mine. I have entered my password. After that click on this next. Now to remove password from a window, just leave it as it is and click on this next. After that click on this finish. And now our Windows 10 password has been removed. So in this way we can remove password from Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.